Everyone, my name is Chisom, and this is and today we are going to be demoing JerryRig. JerryRig is our code translation tool to use to build and turn one repository into another repository of a different language to make tools easier and to port and reuse in languages. Um, One of the main reasons why we're building this is because we noticed that for some languages, there is a lot of support for the community, especially in the artificial intelligence community. So, like for example, things like Torch don't necessarily have their end-to-end translations in or feature complete translations in things like Golang or Ruby. And in order to make this easier for developers, we want to build this tool to sort of help do those kinds of translations easier. And how we're doing this is we are using a web API built with Mocha to connect to our underlying JerryRig agents, which works using the Solace Agent Mesh coordinator and runs out of the port 8000 API. Sorry, fuck URL. I'm going to cut that part out, but um, and essentially allows us to have an agent running in the background that uses Solace to translate and rewrite code in a repository. Fola is going to give us a demo and we're just going to see it in work. Um, so essentially, when you find a popular repository that you like, you would recognize the language, select the source language, select the target language, and then start a translation. And then once it would be completed, you could download it and use the rewritten version of that repository in a way that is useful and more compatible to you.